The whispers in the morning of lovers sleeping tight, falling by the tender night. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel each move you make.